In this handsome church, Epoxy Terrazzo was patterned to replicate and replace beautifully designed custom carpet runners in the aisles. The church had been spending $100,000 every 15 years to replace the carpet. The Terrazzo contractor worked directly with the church representatives to plan the installation. Starting from an old CAD file of the carpet, they replicated the patterns in Terrazzo and matched the colors precisely. The strip pattern was waterjet cut and welded to 18 4-foot by 5-foot wire mesh sheets. Strips were formed on site in other areas. The field color replaced tile. Much work had to be done to flatten the substrate where carpet and tile had been, and where Terrazzo met old polished concrete at the pews. Caution was also called for where the installation adjoined old stone walls and the stone altar. Yet another challenge was to keep the finished church free of dust, especially the high ceilings. Work was carried out 7 days a week for 5 weeks. The result is warm and inviting. Manifesting care and skills, the 9,000 square foot installation is uniformly flat with consistent, rich colors. For this terrific renovation at Our Lady of Loreto Catholic Church in Foxfield, Colorado, NTMA offers its compliments to Colorado Design, Inc., Tile and Terrazzo of Denver.